Namaskaram. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Nitish and
I am Indu Nitish.
we are glad to be part of this year's thematic presentation, which is organized by Natyarangam, the dancing wing of Narada Gana Sabha. Our heartfelt thanks to Natyarangam and Narada Gana Sabha for this dynamic opportunity to explore our art form.
The given Ritu to us is Shishiram. Through this, we are trying to explore a unique experience between the nature and human life. Our storyline draws a parallel to a winter tree and a pregnant lady who go through the hardship and the transformation.
Inspired by Kalidasa's work, we explored the connections between the outer world of nature and our inner emotions in human experiences. Overall, we hope to show that Shishiram is all about accepting, understanding, and overcoming those difficult situations which comes in front of our life.
We have drawn from texts that guide us through this storyline of motherhood, partnership, and transformation. We hope this production resonates with everyone who watches it.
We hope to see you all at Shishiram.
A prelude to the blossoming.
Thank you.